On this new RX, this is a good customer. This is a 2022 Lexus RX 450h. And as you can see by my sticker down here from when I put in refrigerant trace dye, this is January right now, and you can see I just did this back in 10/5 of 23. We're now in the date today is 1/10 of 2024. This was already in a front end accident, and it was everything was repaired, and he's back again. And there's nothing wrong with the condenser, but I guess the way it was shoved back or something, some damage was done to the radiator, and they're taking the radiator out. And so I'm back here doing this again. And yeah, this is a good customer, like that. It's raining in San Francisco, and so seeing a big uptick in air conditioning recoveries and stuff because of rain. Now what I do notice here, since the last time this left, is this oil residue build-up and dust, as you see right there. This is wet and fresh and gathering up around this fitting, and this is a 2022, so it's losing right there. And I like these, so where they take two wires together. This is a proper, now this is how it should be. This fitting right here, where two wires are coming together, when they put the two wires together, they're actually a high voltage electric crimp. They're actually, what's that called? Not soldered. But just like you do a weld right there with a crimp weld right there, where they get the connector and they weld it together. Forgot, my brain is not working right now. But you do the same thing with wires, and that's better than solder or anything else. And then it's epoxy encapsulated. And so in the future, if you were ever looking for grounding problems, resistant problems, you can see through the clear epoxy to see if there's oxidation or corrosion. And I wish all connections were like that. All right, I'll finish up this recovery of this excellent returning customer. And this is YF refrigerant. So this is, how much YF refrigerant? Just a little over a pound. So that's you know, $240, $270 of refrigerant right there, coming back out just to be put right back in after they replace that radiator. See you guys.